Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of SaaStrack. Today, we are up with another interesting video. Can you guess which tool we are going to review today? EngageBay, a typical user-friendly tool with a very minimum subscription fee. It includes an advanced dashboard and pretty interesting features along with excellent analytics tools that make it a wise option for medium-sized businesses to small ones as well. It's very easy to get started with this amazing tool. First, you need to sign in to the dashboard of EngageBay. If you haven't taken any plan, then you can get your free account from here, which is for 15 users. You don't have to add credit card details. As I have already signed up, I log in to their dashboard directly. EngageBay offers 4 primary platforms. Marketing, Sales, Service, Live Chat. We will go with each of these sections in order to give you better clarity of how EngageBay works. Number 1. Marketing. When you log in with your creds, you will be navigated to the marketing dashboard by default. If you need to switch to a different dashboard, just hover over this box in the top left corner. As we are first going to check the marketing features, so let's keep the marketing dashboard for now. You will see several features available here. These options let you add your data and keep it up to date, making it incredibly user-friendly and easy to use. Let's check them one by one. Contacts. Under the Contacts tab in the Marketing head, you can technically save all your contacts and manage filters on the right side of the page, and you can also add your filter if you wish to sort it manually. For example, according to location or subscription date. When you start using the sales, you will find numerous contacts, and searching for any particular contact can be difficult. The filter option comes handy to identify them. Let's create a sample contact to make you guys more clear about this feature. In the top right corner, you will see the Create New option. Click on it, and a pop-up form will appear on the screen. Fill the details as much as you can and click on the Submit button. Now, you can see the created contact on the dashboard. If you want to work on a single contact, then you can simply go ahead, and if you want to apply bulk actions, that is also very easy to do. Just check the box next to the contact you are working on, and you have the bulk action option right here. By clicking on it, you will get numerous options. This is the best thing that I love about EngageBay. It is very easy to work with a large number of contacts, and also with a small handful of contacts depends upon what you are trying to accomplish. You can also customize the view you see on the dashboard. To adjust the columns, click on Actions greater than Edit Columns. You will see a window, from where you can swap the existing columns, and add new ones as well. If you switched to EngageBay from another platform, and already have a contact list, then you can simply import the list from here. Make sure it is in the CSV format. Here, there is another option under Contact, that is List. With this option, you can create a more specific group of people and categorize them so that you can deliver the content particularly tailored for them. Creating a list is super easy. Click on the Create List button. Then fill out the details as per your requirement. Here you can create 2 types of lists. Static and Smart. Smart lists constantly refresh themselves. It adds up new contacts that meet the list criteria and also moves the contacts when they no longer meet the list criteria. Static list, on the other hand, is exactly what it sounds like. Once the contacts are added to the list, then you need to manually add or remove them. The list doesn't refresh itself. Forms. Moving on to forms, you can create 2 types of forms, inline, and pop-up. Inline forms mean it directly appears on your website. As you click on the inline form option, you are given an option to create an inline form. Here, you can select the desired template to work on. Let's take this one as an example. You can also change the text, look and feel, fields as well as other settings. These are entirely customizable forms, which adds a great deal of advantages for customers. After saving the form, you can simply go to the 3 dots on the right side and click on Code to get the embed code to copy the link on your website. Then, the form will appear on the site, or else you can just click on the permanent link if you don't want to associate it with your website. You can even edit the form or delete the form later on if you do not wish to keep it anymore. Let's talk about PopUp Forms. PopUp Forms. The only difference between the inline and pop-up form is that the pop-up form pops up, and users necessarily don't have to click on links to know about the forms. It will pop up on your website when any user surfs through it. Again, you will get the templates to choose from under Themes option. Same as the inline forms, you can edit and tweak them as per your requirements. Settings are important here, as you can specify how you want the pop-up form to perform. EngageBay does give you the freedom to choose when and where the pop-up will appear to your website visitors. For instance, let's add a condition: when people visit a page URL that either contains, or doesn't contain, matches or does not match this URL, you want to see the pop-up. There are other display options you can choose. Click on Exit Intent if you want the pop-up to appear when the visitors are about to leave the website. Select Scroll Percentage if you want the pop-up to appear when the visitors have scrolled down the page so far. If you want to show the pop-up after a certain number of seconds, then use the delay option. You will get a lot of features here, of customization. Forms are very important as it is one of the efficient ways to capture people's information. Let's move on to landing pages. When you click on the landing page option, there will be different templates available for you to use, or you can use a custom template that you can design as per your own wish. The best thing is that you can code your own template using the Code Your Own option. Although there are many templates available for landing pages, it is recommended to use a customized template. There are 3 options on Code Your Own, which includes import from URL, paste in code, and import HTML. When you import from URL, you can use any website's template for your own website, but it might not show the icon of the former site. I am creating a sample landing page here to show you all the really cool features that not many are aware of. When you click on these 3 dots, you will get an option Cname. This refers to the custom domain that you can create for your landing page. But for using this feature you need to upgrade your plan. Next, there is a template feature which is divided into 2. First is email templates. There are several templates available here similar to the landing page. You can even choose from various categories depending on the kind of business you have. You can opt for the plain text email, or you can start playing with Canvas to design your own. Once again, if you know how to code, then you can also code your email from here. Drag the templates given on the right side under blocks. There are 2 other options, which include the content and body. Under content and body, there are options to set up your template as per your choice, and if you don't want to waste time, then just go with the available templates. The second one is video templates. Under the video template option, you can either record a live video or upload a video to include in your email. The next feature under the marketing dashboard is campaigns. Under campaigns, the first option that pops down is email broadcasts. Click on it and then again click on the Create Broadcast, and you will see this page. One thing that I would like to point out here is a B broadcast, as it is going to be very useful to you. It allows you to split test your emails, which is very essential, but most of the platforms do not offer. To use this feature, you need to upgrade your plan. The next option under the campaign feature is SMS Broadcasts. It is mainly the SMS version of the earlier discussed email broadcasts, where you have to select a service provider along with a number along with the message body, and right at the bottom, you will get the contact list to which you want to send the message. Moving on to the next, sequences option is basically to send a series of emails that will be received by the subscribers at a fixed interval of time. So, let's create an example. This is where you can draft your email. Here you will get all the options to modify your content. If you need to attach anything, you can click here. Let's say this is the first email in the sequence. When you are done creating the first one, you can click on Add Email and start over again. From here, delay sending by option, you can select the date when you want to send that email. The other options under campaign feature are automations, and workflows, which you can discover as you start using the software. Basically, the last three options are mainly connected with the first two options, email and SMS broadcasts, and to align the email and SMSs, they are essential. A few more options we have here if we hover the three dots just beside the Campaigns tab in the Marketing dashboard. When you click on the three dots option, you will get the drop-down of other features. The first one in the list is Social Suite. As you can see that the Social Suite stands for social networking interaction to spread your marketing reach and help boost your sales and help your business grow. Nowadays, social media interaction is the best way to spread your idea to a massive number of people, be it through direct communication or through software like EngageBay. Under this, you will get the three social media options: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Click on the Add Network, and add your social media accounts. You can easily manage all your social media profiles and streams with this feature. Coming to the File Repository. File Repository is the central location where you can save all your business files, which is stored safely on a cloud-like platform to access it anytime you want from anywhere. Push notifications. Push notification helps to send instant messages to your subscribers and help you drive more traffic to your pages. Site messages. This feature lets you add any kind of message or announcement on your website that you want to share with the visitors. Next is Web Rules. It helps you define under what conditions you want your push notification or site messages show. Trash is where your deleted items are stored, starting from contacts, deals, tasks, forms, pop-ups, broadcasts, and email templates. You can recover your deleted items from the trash. There are more to these features than can be explained. Coming to the Activities and Report options. Using them you can track your activities and also gauge the performance. That's all about the Marketing dashboard. Number 2 now, let's switch to the Sales dashboard. Since you have already experienced the working of the Marketing dashboard, the Sales dashboard is also designed in a similar way. In the top right corner, you have the option to add reports. You can also customize your dashboard by dragging and rearranging the reports. You can edit the title of the reports by clicking on the pencil at the top right corner here. If you want to trash the report, then simply click on the trash icon. As always, you can edit the settings of each report. For example, here in the Total Appointment report, currently, the duration is set to this month. Just click on the Edit settings and from here you can now change the date range as well as frequency. That's all about the main dashboard you see after switching to the Sales. Now, let's start going through all the features one by one. Under Sales, you have the Contacts and Lists feature, which is pretty much the same as in the Marketing dashboard, but there is a new option under Contact, which is Companies. If you have any clients that are companies, you can just add them here. And the best part of it is that you could monitor their contacts and add several contacts here relating to that company. You could also monitor activities, track your deals, tasks, emails, notes, and events. Moving on to deals, here you can create new deals and also create a pipeline using the default sales track. Just click on Create New and fill all the necessary details and click on Save to create a deal. The next we are going to discuss is the Tasks feature. It lets you keep all your team members on the same page. Anytime you get the project or some new task, just click on the Create Task and fill all the necessary details like you have done while creating deals. If there are specific tasks that you are doing and want to monitor closely, then you can also add them here. You can set the task name, set the priority level, and check the status of the task while you are at it if needed. You have everything at your hand to check and monitor your data, tasks, deals, and all the essential features that will genuinely help you in achieving your goal. It has been made in a simplified way so that you can navigate on your own and learn it, and if you face problems, the experts are always ready to help you with the resources they have at their disposal. Now let's find out what the automation feature offers. So, basically, it works the same as the marketing section. The main difference is that when you create automation, it will start with events that are based on sales. So, when you create it instead of starting with a pop-up form, it begins with a deal track change, deal milestone changes, deal generated, task added and task status changed, and so on that is based on sales. Then comes the calendar feature, which is basically to fix as well as check your appointments. Along with the events you have marked for the month, you can even link your Office 365 calendar so that you can check your schedule in the office, and you can add new events if you want. Moving on to the extras in the sales section, the three dots after the calendar tab packs all the extra features in the sales head similar to the marketing head. They are appointments, mail, file repository, workflows, sequence, trash, activities, products, proposals, and reports. Appointments. Appointment is an exciting feature in the sales system. It is a place where you could create a meeting with your client. On the right top corner, there is the URL of your appointment, and you can edit that URL, change it, and even associate it with a Cname. Cname is a canonical name record or alias record. It is a type of resource record in the domain name system, DNS, that specifies that one domain name is an alias of another canonical domain name. So when you copy the URL on the top right side and copy it on your browser's address bar, and a page will open where your clients can create an appointment video and so on. All they have to do is choose a date and slot, fill out some necessary details, select the appointment time, and click on Schedule Appointments, and your booking will be confirmed. The appointments now show in the calendar. Mail. The mail feature is where you can manage, sort, and answer back the mails that you receive on a day-to-day basis. So you can use EngageBay as a platform through which you can access and reply to your clients. It's almost the same as Gmail, so that should be pretty easy to handle even as a beginner. The other features that follow mail are pretty much the same as the marketing dashboard, and you need to buy the beta version to get access to the products, proposals and reports features under the sales dashboard. Number 3, service. Moving on to the service dashboard, there are few unique features here which we do not generally find in other such marketing tools or software. Tickets. The all-new feature called Tickets is where you will be able to find the tickets raised, or, in other words, service requests. There are two ways you can create a ticket. Either you create it manually, which means you have to click on Create New on the top right corner and then enter the contact. Also, remember, the tickets are being used to support your connections and should exist in your contact list already. The other way to create a ticket is by the macros feature. It is one of the primary methods of creating a ticket. In this method, you create a macros, which automatically associates with a ticket and proceeds through the automation process. Other than that, all other features in Service Head are the same as the previous dashboards of marketing and sales. Number 4, Live Chat. In the Live Chat dashboard, there are features through which you can communicate with clients or prospects directly and also add reports as per your requirement you sought for. Conversion. Under the conversation feature, you can check your live chat performance through reports of total chats, average chat duration, chats by country, and first response time. Chat widget. In the chat widget section, you can chat with your clients, prospects. The chat widget feature helps you set the automated chat button that is going to handle any primary or prospect inquiry, where you can set the greeting message followed by the proactive message. You can also set the chat button position, which will appear on the prospect's screen. Apart from all the features we discussed above, there are many options in your account setting too. Here you'll find many settings that will make this tool more personalized to you. Coming to the pricing of EngageBay. To make things a little easier for you, there are different pricing structures of EngageBay, which is indeed affordable and a great deal given the number of features it offers. There are 4 plans that EngageBay offers: Free, Basic, Growth, and Pro for each service. The plans are offered on a monthly, yearly, and biennial basis. The all-in-one suite starts with $8.99 USD. Marketing plan starts with $7.79 USD. CRM and Sales Bay starts with $7.79 USD, and the Service Bay comes free for all. While the free plan lets you have up to 1,000 contacts and send up to 1,000 emails, the Pro plan includes everything the free plan has and additional features like up to 30,000 contacts and 30,000 branded emails, web pop-ups, third-party integrations, tag manager and more. Growth and Pro plans are premium plans. To create a free account, you can click on the link given in the description box, and to know more about their pricing you can go through their pricing page. So, guys, this was the complete review of EngageBay software. I hope now you all have a pretty good idea about the working of this software, its dashboards and features. But again, I will reiterate that there are many essential tools in this software that might come handy and useful for you. The best part about this software is the analytics tools, which otherwise comes at a hefty price. Undoubtedly, EngageBay is a perfect marketing tool for small to medium-sized businesses to engage new web visitors and convert them to happy customers with all its extensive range of features, making it a great all-in-one tool. If you liked this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. If you have any questions, then write it down to us in the comments section below. We will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you guys, see you again next time, with another amazing software review.